Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is National Multidimensional Poverty Index. Recently, NITI Aayog released the second edition of the National Multidimensional Poverty Index. According to the national NMPI, 135 million Indians move out of multidimensional poverty in 5 years. In the 5 years, the MPI value halved from 0.117 to 0.066. The intensity of poverty reduced from 47% to 44%, thereby setting India on the path of achieving SDG Target 12, much ahead of the stipulated timeline of 2030. Now let us look into the key points. Multidimensional Poverty Index estimates for the 36 states and union territories and 707 administrative districts. All 12 parameters of the MPI have shown marked improvements to create a platform to access skilled manpower through industry-academia interaction. The national MPI measures simultaneous deprivations across 3 equally weighted dimensions of health, education, and standard of living that are represented by 12 Sustainable Development Goal aligned indicators. Fastest reduction in MPI took place in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Rajasthan. Rural areas witnessed the fastest decline in poverty from 32.59% to 19.28%, while urban areas saw a reduction in poverty from 8.65% to 5.27%. The proportion of poor in the country down from 24.8% to 14.9% between 2015 to 16 and 2019 to 21 on the back of improvements in nutrition, years of schooling, sanitation, and subsidized cooking fuel.